All right, October 27th, 2023, Friday. Going back out of Huron. Gonna try and get some more walleye. Today we have my sister Laura. Hi, say hi, Laura.
Hello.
And then we have Aaron again. I don't know if he's gonna puke again today. It's supposed to get a little rough out, but we're gonna hit the dumping grounds out of Huron and stay in a little bit. Gonna run some flicker minnow 7s, I think, something like that. Blah 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 blah. I noticed a little cut on my nose. I got into a fight with my nightstand when I woke up. You should see the nightstand. All right, anyways, to be continued. Boom! Got it. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Nice! Walleye number 1.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Walleye number 2. Walleye number 3. Fish on. Outside one. Rod down.
Head.
Yep.
Lay the rod down.
Yep. Rod down.
After you lay the rod down.
Number 4. Okay, leave him.
Oh, yes! Woohoo!
Number 5. 4, 5.
Five.
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna limit right here. Number 7. Walleye.
Is it a keeper?
Good call. All right, number 8.
Woohoo!
All right, we got 8 fish, 8 walleye. It was really good in the morning. We got 7 fish, and then it took us 3 hours to get another one. So, anyways, it's getting choppy. We're getting out of here. It's a good day though, beautiful sunshine, and that's it. Thanks for watching. All right, boom.